I'm curious about something. I know what this piece sounds like. So even when I hear it this slowly,
Hmm.
I can sort of gestalt it. I can hear that it's part of a recognizable whole. But if you've never heard this before, are you feeling like you're just playing a bunch of random sounds, just trying to be accurate? Or do you get the inklings of what the composer's trying to get?
Probably a little bit, but not like wholly. It's obviously a lot faster. It probably sounds kind of sad.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Largo actually means very slow.
Oh,
But it is a testament to the idea that maybe when people sight read, they should sight read things where, even if they're hearing it for the first time, there's
yeah,
something about the piece makes sense to them musically.
yeah.
And this is a hard piece to make sense out of musically at a first go.
It's definitely better if you know that what you're playing sounds right,
Mm-hmm.
rather than just like that's what it says on the page, but I don't really understand
Exactly. This is like, if you do what works for you, and you do need that
that. Hmm.
reward of hearing the music.
Yeah,
So it's not a random series of sounds that somebody's telling you is correct. Like, well,
right.
thanks for saying it's correct, but it didn't do me no good.